Welcome to Anthrocon 2016 and the unboxing of my first fursuit, which I'll leave you in suspense to figure out what it is. It's just arrived. Just so you know, if you have something delivered to Anthrocon, there's an additional $10 processing thing that the hotel charges or whatever. But who cares about money when you're buying fursuits?
Ain't that the truth?
Mm-hmm.
Also, I'm not using some ridiculous knife to open the tape. I'm just using a reasonably sized pocket knife. And I got a Sparkle Creations card. Not that I need one at this point. Unfortunately, it's got tape on it, so.
Oh man.
Oh, I got another one. And another one.
Give them to all your friends.
I probably can't focus that quick. There we go. Sparkle Creations. This is a used suit that was remade for me. So that's the big question mark. I'll leave this one. This is the fursuit. Whoa! I don't know if that was... I had no idea what this is going to look like. Okay. We got a purple heart type shape on the back. Looks like there's spots for wings. There's like little doors for wings on the back.
Did they come with wings?
I think so. That's the question mark. So you can close these doors and they snap shut so you can cover the holes, sort of. The original suit had wings, and I asked for the wings, so there should be wings. Looks like it's in pretty good shape, except for the crotch. And there's also a tail hole. It's a little matted up, but... Ooh. Now we got the head.
Oh, here we go.
It's crushed. Whoa. Looks like they replaced the teeth. I have to fix that. So this is the new rainbow hairstyle. This used to have like a purple mohawk, but now it's got rainbow hair. Definitely needs to be combed, of course, but also I had them, these eyes used to look huge, so I had them add these
Oh yeah.
these little,
Eyebrows or
they're eyelids.
eyelids, yeah.
So now the eyes don't look super surprised all the time. And the mouth opens. Should have a fan inside. Yep, there's a little battery pack in the back for the fan that goes in the nose. And it doesn't have any batteries, so I can't turn that on yet. Looks like I was gonna buy batteries anyway. Looks like there's a zipper. To unzip the head.
Make it easier to get into, I guess.
Wow. Yeah. So this will be a lot easier than I'm like on top of the fursuit. Let me see if this fits, because I have a large, massive head. It's supposed to fit. Looks like there's nothing in the back, so it should fit over my head. Please let it fit. I can see the fan in there. Oh.
Is there a balaclava in there?
No.
Or is it just lined?
There's just a couple of pads. It's like a jaw pad. Oh. Okay, I just got it on.
Hey!
It's a tight fit.
The jaw works though.
Yeah.
That all works fine.
Works better than mine.
I gotta fix one of these teeth,
What
but it's pretty good. I can see.
a cutie.
I like it.
So it is a little tight to get on, but it should be fine.
Do you need help with the zipper in the back? Zipper in the back.
That's more like it.
There you go.
Wow, that's really good.
That jaw works really well.
But now I can't close my mouth.
Oh, that's helpful.
But this gives me more ventilation anyway. Does that look like my mouth's open all the time?
I mean, it looks like you're smiling.
You're a mouth breather, that's all.
Well, if I tuck my chin back and close it, now it's covering my mouth.
Yeah, now the jaw doesn't work as well.
I just have to push it forward. Like that.
There you
There you
go.
Hello,
That works really well. That's a really good jaw.
I'm Zigzag. I expected it to be more restrictive, but I can see well, and it doesn't feel too hot, so I'm still gonna get a baklava. Baklava.
Escape.
I'll have to learn how to put that on, but
You'll get the hang of it.
rainbow hair. So that's everything but the extremities. A lot of fuzzy stuff. Alright. Outdoor feet. This means I can go outside.
Oh my god, look at the size of those stompers! I
Yeah.
thought these feet were big. Oh my god. They're so big! You could fit a person in them.
And then my two mitts. You see the black right hand, the evil right hand. These are just soft padded, so there's nothing, no claws, no like vinyls.
Silicone,
It's all
yeah.
soft fur. And then the left hand is gray, a nice positive gray, not the evil black hand. Let me try these feet. No, these don't have anything inside of them, so I can wear my shoe inside of it,
Oh, cool.
which I should probably do, just to make sure. Which will give me extra padding of the shoe inside.
That's more comfy.
Yeah.
Your own shoes rather than whatever's in there.
Yeah, I mean, these are pretty. Now that I got the two socks on,
There's my
these fit pretty well.
shoes.
My feet are just really, really hot.
Of course, this is probably the worst unboxing ever because, like, you can't even see it. There's the feet. They're just large, stompy feet. Put on my Converse and hope that my feet aren't too big. I don't even know which is left and which is right.
We had that problem earlier.
Yeah, you can't really tell from the
Because-
outside.
I think because the seam's on the inside, it would be
Yeah, that makes sense.
like this. I don't need to zip it, I just need to chest it. Feels very roomy inside, not tight at all.
Is it too loose to where you're gonna fall out?
No. There'll never be a shoe that's too loose. Well, maybe there will be. This is made for a much smaller person, so if anything, I'd be worried that they'd be too tight. But
Oh, okay.
it feels good. I can move. Taking them off. It's pretty easy too.
Let's go.
I just don't want to. It's just going up against the phone, so I don't want to like.
Displace all of it. Yeah.
Feels like in the heel there's a little bit of wear, but just gotta be careful not to walk on my heels too much. there's a big ass tail.
Oh, look at that tail.
Pretty. It's got
And
the heart
it's
shape
got-
again.
Yep, the purple heart, and the black heart inside, just like my black hole heart. So this is a snow leopard tail, if you recognize that oversized style of snow leopard tails.
Those spots look good.
Yeah.
I just have to comb all this stuff out before I wear it, especially with the shipping. And finally, my wings, so I can pretend to be an angel dragon. I'm an angel dragon. Looks like these go around my arms, so when I move my arms, I'll probably be able to
Flap them a little bit.
flap them with my shoulder blades. But getting these on is going to be tricky by myself.
Yeah, I think what you want to do is slip the straps through the bodysuit, and then put those on, and then put the bodysuit on.
And this suit was made originally in memory of someone who died, so that's why the character has wings.
Oh,
And that's why I wanted to keep the suit alive
yeah.
and make sure it had a life that kept going. So that's everything.
Awesome.
Thanks Sparkle Creations for getting this to me right when I needed it. Right at the start of the convention, so I got a whole 2.5 days left of fursuit fun. I'm all ready to go. Well, maybe I'll buy a baklava and then, because the dealer room is opening, so
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll
Just
go down
open.
there and see if they sell any of those baklavas, and then hopefully you'll see me suited up.
Woohoo!
Woo.
What a cutie pie!
Bye bye.